All right, guys, today I'm gonna be replacing the carpet on my Amera Trail trailer with GatorBak product. So I already replaced the carpet with new carpet on the middle, already having issues with the new carpet marking the hull, and it's only been out one time. So I'm just kind of getting fed up with carpet in general. It's kind of hard to see here, but it's already creating these wear spots in the carpet. Only using the trailer once since I replaced this carpet. So we're gonna replace it with the new GatorBak product and see how it performs. It's hard to see right here, but there's that wear area. It's already on the brand new carpet. Before I take the bunks fully off, I'm going to measure the distance from the bracket to the back of the bunk, which is 6 inches, just so I know when I'm putting them back, right where they need to be. So they send everything already pre-cut for you. 13.9, these are 13. Send a hardware pack for you. Has all your black screws, hold everything into the sides. Screws for your end caps, koozie, and then all your little end caps that will go on your bunks so you can wrap everything around them. Should be pretty cool. Put some straps around these. That's gonna help straighten up for now. Starting to take shape. Stuff is extremely heavy duty. I don't think you ever have to worry about it wearing out. All right, so here's what I learned. You have to do them every 6 inches, no big deal. But what I would say is the straps aren't as important as you think as far as getting them tight. Just get everything in there real nice, pull down, clamp down with your fingers, screw each one in, and then you do the same thing on the other side. The straps are really just there to help make sure that when you push it, it's good, it's all in place. So it was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be when I started trying to put the straps on. So came out really nice, both sides, forward, looks good. I'm just gonna trim the other side and put these little end caps on, see how it comes out. All right, we got the first one on. Learned some things. Time to get the second one on. So this time, the back of the board measured every 6 inches to make sure everything is nice and uniform. So ran a square across them. Make sure we have all the screws opposite of each other so it keeps everything nice and tight the whole time. And start putting them on. So I've improvised some strap and clamp system. I think as long as it's spread and it's easy to push down, it's not that bad at all as far as just putting your screws in every 6 inches. So we'll get that process started. All right, outer bunks are done. Look great. Oh, nice. Like that they provide these end caps. Nice rubbery end caps. So if you hit them, not gonna do any damage. Next up, I'm gonna go to the Lowe's, buy some new bunks because those I just put on, and trying to get the carpet off with the stainless steel staples and all of the glue I had to use is not gonna happen. So just gonna put new bunks on. Okay, so on my third and fourth board, I figured out this is the best way to do it. Take the old board, which is padded and carpeted, clamp it to the new board with the GatorBaks in between. Then I marked it every 6 inches, come through, drill each one in every 6 inches, put your end caps on. That goes so much faster, so much quicker, able to do one of these in like 10 minutes or so versus the other one taking 20, 25. Here's the final product. Came out really awesome. Excited to put the boat on these things and stop it from, these front two bunks were scuffing up the fiberglass pretty bad. And the steepness of our ramps here in South Florida, a lot of times, it's very hard to get the boat pulled up level with the front cow catcher. So you end up getting bow slap and all kinds of stuff going on when you're trailing down the road if you can't get the boat pulled all the way up tight. So I think the smoothness of these things, the way they're supposed to slide, is gonna do what I wanted it to do, which is amazing. And the last carpet that I put on, even though it was supposed to last a lifetime, lasted one trailer trip before it started rubbing through on the inside and leaving big black marks on the hull. So this is what we got, the GatorBak product, covering 2x6 bunk boards for a Sea Hunt Ultra 305 again Fish 30 on an Amera Trail trailer. So yeah, excited to get these things in the water and test them out.